Remove the seal. Remove the trim panels in turn. Remove the cover. Unplugged. Remove boss screws. Remove the adhesive frame. Remove the right side spacer. Remove left side gasket. Remove the screws. Installation of the left side bracket. Installation of the left side motorized spreader bar. Remove the screws. Mounting the right side bracket. Installation of right side electric spreader bar. Unplug the locking mechanism. Remove screws. Installation of electric suction bracket. Remove the spring. Installation of motorized suction hooks. Reset locking machine spring. Reset locker. Docking lock status plug. Docking lock status plug. Docking bracket switch plug. Docking actuator plug. Docking unlock motor plug. Connect the debug plug and the key plug. Fasten securely. Loosen the screws. Installation of earth wires. Tighten. Power up. Be connected to any electricity grid. Be connected to any electricity grid. Remove the spring. Docking controller plug. Fixed controller. Open the trailer hitch vignette. Place the actuator emergency pull card threaded to the trailer hitch tied to emergency power card. Recognize. Debug plug to key plug. Long press button to position height. Tap the screen button to open. Long press button to position height. Unplug commissioning. Restoration of key trims. Click to open. Click on button. Recovery trim test.